Good day everyone, this is now week 2 of 4th quarter. In our previous discussion video, we have distinguished and described the AND operator. And of course, we have also applied the AND operator in displaying a specific record or in displaying a record using the query design view. Now into this week, we are going to distinguish and describe the OR operator. And of course, we are also going to apply the OR operator in displaying records in one field only. And of course, using the query design grid. Now, let's start by examining the illustration on your module, which is this one. This is an example, or this will be the interface of our query design grid if we are going to use the the OR operator. So our criteria will be located in one field only. In one field only, kaya lang meron tayong criteria dun sa criteria row. Then we have also our criteria on the OR row. While the AND operator, so from the word grade 6 and grade 7, ginamit natin ang grade 6 and grade 7 for the OR operator. So, ang iso-show nito, ang possible result nito, it's either grade 6. Kung meron tayong information na grade 6, then it will show all grade 6. Tapos, wala tayong grade 7, then it still show grade 6. Okay? Pero pagka ginamit naman natin ang AND operator, once we use the AND operator naman, grade 6 and grade 7, pag meron tayong grade 6 na record, pero wala tayong grade 7 na record, then it will not show any information or it will not show the grade 6 kasi wala tayong grade 7. So, yun ang pagkakaiba ng AND at saka OR operator. Pag sinabi nating AND operator, both of the criteria is required. Kailangang ma-meet silang dalawa. Pero pag sinabi naman nating OR operator, kahit yung isa lang na criteria ay ma-meet. So, kung meron tayong grade 6 pero wala tayong grade 7, then it is still going to show grade 6 student kahit wala tayong grade 7. Okay, so that is for the AND, or that is the difference between the AND and OR operator. Pag sinabing AND, both of the criteria should be met. Okay, pero pag sinabi naman nating OR, either of the two. Okay, either of the two criteria. Now, for better understanding, let us start our demonstration. So as I told you a while ago, or as I told you in our previous discussion video, that the day 1 will serve as a demonstration, or this will be your guide in completing or in doing the day number 2, which is your activity for the week. Okay? So ang mai-record lang po at ang mai-check na activity ninyo is the day number 2, which is starting on week 1 up to the end. Okay, so this is now week 2. So this is now day 1. This will be your guide in doing your activity, which is located on the day number 2. Okay, so let us start. So, yung database ko or my database is other operator. But your database will be in, I believe that is inventory system. Okay, so your database is inventory system and my database is other operator, but the same procedure. Okay, now let us start. So step number 1, open the other operator database, then create a new query and add the table on the upper pane of the query design view. Then now double click all the fields on the upper pane to add it to the lower pane of the query design view, and the output should look like on the figure below. So ganito daw dapat. Okay, then of course step number 4, now add the following criteria below, then please see also the figure below to guide you. So criteria to be entered: for the grade level field we have grade 1, and another grade level field we have grade 6. So grade 1, or we are going to show all information of grade 1 or grade 6. Okay, so in order for us to do that, let us open now our database. So my database is located here, the other operator. Okay, so this is my table with the records. Then in order for you to create a new query design view, then click create menu. After clicking create menu, then click query design. Then, the show table dialog box will appear together with the upper pane and the lower pane. Now, all you have to do is to select the table, then click add. After clicking add, then click close the show table. Then, you may resize this one to show all the field names. Then, next will be double click all the field names in order for the field names to be transferred or to be filled in on our lower pane. Okay, so this is our lower pane para mailagay siya dyan. So, double click our field names up to the gender and grade level because these are the field names that we are going to show for our query. Now, step number 4, a while ago, we're going to show grade 1 or grade 6. We're not going to use and. Grade 1 or grade 6. So, in order for us to do that, a criteria always start with equal sign. But before you proceed on your criteria, please identify first where are you going to put your criteria. Saan ba natin makikita si grade 1 or grade 6? Sa gender ba? Sa section? Of course, sa grade level. Okay, grade level, then we are going to use constant query, equal sign, then double quotation mark. Again, double quotation mark. It is not two single quotation mark. How are you going to do the double quotation mark in your computer keyboard? Press and hold the shift, then press quotation mark. Okay? Again, press and hold the shift, then press quotation mark, then release your computer keyboard. Okay, then type in grade 1. Under the criteria row, on the criteria row of grade level. Okay, and of course, we have the or row, okay, or row, equal sign, double quotation mark, because this is a constant query, then grade 6, then double quotation mark. Okay, then after that, you may now test your query by clicking run or clicking the datasheet view. So, it's up to you because they have the same function naman. So, pwede nyong gamitin kahit sino sa kanila. So, I'm going to use run. Okay, after clicking run, it will show all grade 1 or all grade 6. Ang ipapakita niya lang ay grade 1 or grade 6. Okay, again, we use the or operator. Okay, then, after that, press Ctrl S, then save your new query as grade 1 or grade 6 query. Okay, then click OK to save your new query. So that's it. That will be the OR operator. It will show the grade 1 or grade 6. Okay, so if you want to proceed on or if you want to edit your query design view again, then just click the design view here under the home menu, then click the design view, then it will show you the query design view again. So that will be for the week number 2. Okay, but before we end, may I please explain also your activity for today that is located on the day number 2 that will be recorded. So open again your inventory system dash your last name comma your first name database that you have created on our previous activity. So create a new query that will display only records whose age is 15 or 18 years old. Okay, 15 or 18 years old. Then save the new query as 15 or 18 years old query. So, ang ipapakita lang natin na information is 15 or 18 years old. Now, how are you going to send it to me? Reminder, sabi ko sa inyo, on our first week, on week number 1, we are going, meron tayong different way in sending to me your output. So, hindi na po kayo mag-video. Okay, you're not going to video yourself na po, but you're going to document all your activity. So, ang isa-send nyo sa akin is yung interface ng query design view ninyo. Interface ng query design view, which is this one. Pero dun sa query design view, make sure na makikita ko doon yung inyong criteria. yung nilagay nyong criteria, which is this one. Nakikita yung mouse pointer ko? So, yan yung dapat dun sa picture na isasend nyo sa akin, meron yung criteria. Okay? Make sure na meron yung criteria. Then next, ang second na isasend nyo sa akin, so ang first na isasend nyo sa akin is yung interface ng query design view ninyo. Then, ang second na isasend nyo sa akin is yung interface ng result ng inyong query. So, yung resulta ng inyong query, which is example, which will be this one. Example will be this one. So, ito, sample na isasend ninyo. Kung nakikita yung mouse cursor ko, so ito siya. Okay, this is an example. Now, third na isasend ninyo will be the database itself. So, yung file mismo. Yung file ng database, which is example. Ito yung file ng aking database. So, ito yung isasend ko pa na isa. So, para ma-check ko kung tama or accurate yung picture at ma-check ko kung tama yung ginawa ninyong activity. Okay? So, that will be for the week 2. And another pala, before I forgot, almost forgot, rather, alternative activity. Okay, for the alternative activity, we have here the grade 9 fourth quarter. For the alternative activity, we have, alam nyo naman na siguro ang gagawin ninyo dito sa first, which is you're going to answer the question by writing the criteria. Okay, writing the criteria based on the question. Then we have the second one. You are going to create a new database table on the week number 1, right? But that database table, you're going to use that database table up to the end of this week 8. Okay, now for this table, or into this table, you're going to draw the result of your table with 5 imaginary record. Again, with 5 imaginary record. So, draw the table using the field names with 5 imaginary record. And still, using the table, you're going to draw the interface of database query design view. Pero, ang idodraw nyo na lang dito sa database or interface ng query design view based also on your on our discussion video, what do you think will be the interface of our query design view? So, ang idodraw nyo dito is yung interface ng query design view, kaya lang ang idodraw nyo na lang is yung lower pane, which is ito. Para may specify. Ito. Okay? So, ito yung idodraw nyo. Okay? The lower pane only, wherein I can see the field names and the criteria. Okay? Field names and the criteria of your query design view. Okay? Because I need to see your field names and your criteria. So, ito. Pero kung gusto nyong i-draw yung buong query design view interface, then it's okay. Okay? Okay lang. Pero kung sakaling hindi po, or kung sakaling mahihirapan kayo ganon, then you can just draw the important part of the query design view wherein the lower pane. So, ito siya. Okay? The lower pane. Kung nasaan yung criteria. Okay? Then next, after you draw the query design view, then you're also going to draw the interface of the query design. No. On the week 1, hindi nyo na idodraw yung possible result ng query design view. But on the week 2, you're going to show or you're going to draw the possible result of the query. So, dito siya. So, ano yung idodraw nyo na possible result? Example is this one. Okay, ano yung magiging result? Kaya lang, always remember na kailangan ang reference ng inyong table or ang papakita nyo ditong record is yung record na nandito sa table ninyo. Okay? So, ito lagi ang reference ninyo up to the end. Okay? Including the interface. Okay? And of course, you know na what to do on the query design view interface. So, ganyan lang po siya up to the last. Okay? So, that is week 8 or week 7. Okay? So, that is for the week number 2. That's all for the week number 2. Good luck, Louisians, and stay safe.